Alright, this is Lutz's big green machine engine running on air. After Bob and I did a major change on the valve gear, put new motion or new links and link blocks in, tightened up the eccentric straps on the eccentrics, and repaired a broken piece on the motion plate and added a clamp to the intake to the water pump. But anyway, that's it going in forward, and nice, and it's running on very low air pressure, so it seems to be stroking quite well. 18 psi. Nice and smooth. Bob, you want to try to reverse it and see what happens then? Okay, so now Bob's going to put it in reverse here. Went in pretty easy. Now we're running in reverse. So that was a concern before, because Lutz and Michael could not, when they went into reverse, they had to push it to get it moving. So replacing all those components and machining the faces of the eccentric straps reduced a lot of the slop out of the valve gear. And so everything's pretty good. There goes the compressor, so we're not going to be able to hear anything. Also, Michael wanted a lever-operated lubricator, and so he's got one on there now. So it's a little easier to operate than just pushing forward and back. So anyway, that's it. I don't know what else to tell you about it. We'll have to obviously run it on propane and see how it does, but